What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the fact that my overall stock portfolio is down $43,000, and I'm going to show you guys every single one of my position in this particular video. This is just going to be a stock portfolio update. Now, of course, when your portfolio is down, it doesn't feel good. Now, of course, I've experienced my portfolio being down 43,000. I've experienced my portfolio being up 43,000. I've experienced my portfolio being down $130,000. So it's always an interesting ride, but I will say that as time has gone on, I've gotten more used to the ups and downs that is what we all know as the stock market. Listen, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. On this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so a quick snapshot. I started investing in the stock market back in 2016, 2017, got my butt kicked a little bit. I decided to quit in 2017, took my losses. At that time, I was down like almost $4,400. I'll show you guys that on the screen in a second. And then I started to reinvest back in the stock market in 2020, when of course, a lot of people were at home chilling and thought, hey, this is a perfect time to buy some stocks. Everything is down. So I started to reinvest, like I said, in 2020, May of 2020. And so it's been an interesting ride since then. Just to give you guys an overall snapshot, here's my portfolio on the screen. As of right now, this is where my portfolio sits, $218,000. As you can see, it's live right now, so it will be fluctuating as I'm doing this video. If I click on all here on the screen, I'll show you guys. Okay, so you guys can see here that basically July 10th of 2017, maybe a little bit before that, you see that I'm down overall $4,399. What I did at that time, I took all of my money out of the account. I basically lost that amount of money because I was scared, didn't know what was going on, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take my money and get out of here because the stock market is not easy, and more importantly, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So fast forward to May of 2020, I started to reinvest back in the stock market. Since May of 2020, what you see on the screen, the $260,000, is the amount of money that I've put into my account since May of 2020. And as you guys can see, I'll just fast forward and show you guys the apex here, which I think March 28th, 2022, I was up $43,000. And you can see here the lowest point here, which was, let me get it together here, January 2nd, 2023, I was down $130,000. So right now, as it stands today, I'm down $43,000. I'm going to say $43,000 because I'm not going to count the $4,399 that I lost back in 2017, right? So right now, portfolio is at 218. Once again, invested $260,000. So overall, I'm down $43,000 right now. And I'm going to show you guys every single one of my positions and kind of the snapshot of where my total returns are in regards to every one of my positions. So I'm going to go in order from my little deal here on the right. I have my stock accounts here on the right, as you guys can see. There's a bunch of different accounts, and I will be talking about every single one of them except for this one, which is I think I got it as a free share initially from referring somebody to Robinhood. Okay, so the first one up is going to be Armor Residential REIT, currently trading for $4.38. I'm just going to talk about my overall return. You guys can see my average cost per share is $4.90. And then overall, my total return is negative 10.66, which is negative $1,690. All right, the next one up right here, going again in order, MFA Financial. My average cost per share is $10.56, currently trading for $9.96. My total return with MFA Financial is I'm down negative $198. Now, both of the ones that I just mentioned, ARR and MFA Financial, do pay dividends. ARR pays dividends monthly. MFA Financial pays dividends quarterly. The next one up is going to be AGNC Investment. This pays dividends monthly. Currently, my average cost per share, $9.41. My total return right now is I'm up 0.95%, which is $76. All right, the next one up after that is going to be Starwood Property Trust. They pay dividends quarterly. My average cost per share, $17.70. My total return is I'm up 9.49%, which is $592. All right, the next one up is going to be Prospect Capital. This one pays dividends monthly. Average cost per share is $6.28. Currently trading for $6.03. My total return, I'm down negative 4.05%, which is negative $733. The next one up is Gladstone Capital. This pays dividends monthly as well. Average cost per share, $10.19. Currently trading for $9.83. My total return, I'm down negative 3.54%, which is $449 in the red. The next one up is Energy Transfer. This pays dividends. I want to say this pays quarterly. I know it does. My average cost per share, $11.90. My total return, I'm up 17%, which is up $1,163. The next one up is Devon Energy. This pays dividends. I want to say quarterly. Let me double check. Maybe it's monthly. Let's see here. Dividend. No, that's not dividend. Let's do show more history. Let's see the dividend payments here that I've gotten. Oh, I haven't gotten a dividend pay. Oh, here we go. Dividend payment here, which was on the 29th. Oh, it's pending. It's coming up. It hasn't even happened yet. I guess that's my history so far with Devon Energy. I don't know. I don't remember how often they pay dividends. It's probably going to be quarterly. So currently my average cost per share is $47.29. My total return is I'm down 0.12%, which is negative $10.96. As you guys can imagine, these stocks that I'm showing you have gone up and down. Overall, the market is down, and overall, my portfolio is down right now as of the last couple of months. The next one up is Kinder Morgan. Kinder Morgan pays dividends quarterly. My average cost per share, $14.92. My total return, I'm up 10.95%, which is $201. All right. The next one up is 3M. My average cost per share, $96.94. 3M is currently trading for $94.65. My total return, I'm down negative 2.36%, which is negative $491. The next one is Huntington Bank. Huntington Bank pays dividends quarterly. My average cost per share, $10.20. My total return is I am up 0.65%, which is $7.49. Obviously, you guys see it's changing on the screen. The next one up is Stag Industrial. Stag Industrial pays dividends monthly. My average cost per share, $37.66. My total return is negative 9.21%, which is negative $701. The next one up is ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil has been a great investment. As you can see, my average cost per share, $47.99. My total return with ExxonMobil is I'm up 142%, which is plus $3,000 for ExxonMobil. The next one up is ExxonMobil pays quarterly. The next one up is Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. This pays quarterly. My average cost per share, $91.18. My total return is I'm up 14%, which is $159. All right. The next one up is another Vanguard ETF. This is, what is this? VGT. My current average cost per share is $409.39. My total return is I'm up 0.38%, which happens to be $119. The next one up is another Vanguard ETF, VUG. My average cost per share is $283.13. My overall return, I am down 4.46%, which is $762. The next one up is my largest holding in my portfolio. It's Apple. My average cost per share, $145.14. My total return is I'm up 19%, which is $32,000. Obviously, that Apple's been a good investment for me. The next one up is Tesla. My average cost per share, $161.36. My total return is I'm up 50%, which is, or 52%, which is $16,844. Okay. The next one up is Lucid Group. Apple pays dividends quarterly. Tesla does not pay dividends. The next one up is Lucid Group. My average cost per share is $6.60. My total return is I am down 19%, 19.73%, which is negative $16,941. Ouch. All right, the next one up is Google, Alphabet Class A. My average cost per share is $88.47. My total return is I'm up 45%, which is I'm in the green, $903. Okay, the next one up is going to be Amazon. Average cost per share, $95.58. My total return, I'm up 33%, which is $736. The next one up here, this one is I'm trying to kind of day trade and make some money. Not day trade in the traditional sense, more like swing trading. My average cost is $1.50. My total return is I'm down 20%, which is negative $3,794. I do some swing trading with this one. Right now would be a great time to grab some more shares. It's $1.19 trading. Currently, my average cost is $1.50, as you guys can see. The next one up is Walgreens. My average cost per share is $25.17. My total return is I'm down negative 15.84%, which is negative $2,790. The next one up is Northwest Bank. Northwest Bank pays dividends quarterly. Walgreens pays dividends quarterly as well. As you can see here, my average cost per share is $10.52. My overall return is I'm down negative 5%, which is negative $119. And the last one here is Dynex Capital. Dynex Capital pays dividends monthly. Average cost per share $12.27, and my overall return I'm down 3.30%, which is negative $202. Once again, I wanted to just give you guys an overall snapshot of my portfolio. If I show you guys in the last month, you can see here that in the last month my portfolio is down $26,000, which never feels good. The last 3 months it's down $25,000. Year to date it's up $79,000. The last year I'm up $5,000. So the last year would be from today, today-ish, right? September 26th to today, which would be September 26th. Once again, only up $5,000 year to year. And then of course all time since basically since 2020, my portfolio is currently down like 43,000, but overall 47,000. All right. These videos are interesting to do just because, you know, nobody really wants to make a video when they're down per se, but I do want to give you guys, you know, a realistic snapshot, even more realistic if I show you guys here what's happened in my portfolio since 2020, right? So you can see here I was down $63,000 October the 26th, 2020. That was like, that hurt, of course. And you can see here I was up $39,000 November 1st, 2021, you know, so on and so forth. You can see the ride that my portfolio has taken. 256. I'm up here 308,000. I'm down here. My portfolio is at 183. My portfolio has been all over the place. I'm up here basically like 10 G's, 275, you know, I'm down here 184, and then here you can see I'm down 133, right? Well, I say 133, my balance was 133. So the stock market is definitely not for the faint of heart, and depending on what you're investing in, of course my portfolio has fluctuated a lot because my portfolio is heavily invested in tech stocks. I'm not a guru. I'm not going to tell you where you should put your money. This is your money that you've worked for, so you decide the risk that you want to take and where you should place your hard-earned money. All right, that is just a snapshot of my account, and I just wanted to show you guys that because, you know, maybe there aren't a lot of videos on YouTube about stuff like this. All right, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.